Good evening. Today is Friday, April 12, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL's for 3 7 p.m. draw results for Lapu-Lapu City and Relax 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, April 12, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for April 12, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, April 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.